Anthurium plants, also known as flamingo flowers or painter's palette, are popular houseplants known for their vibrant, heart-shaped flowers and glossy, dark green leaves. Proper care is essential to keep your Anthurium healthy and thriving. Here are some guidelines for Anthurium plant care. Light. Anthuriums prefer bright, indirect light. Place them near a window with filtered sunlight or in a well-lit room. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight, as it can scorch their leaves. Temperature. Anthuriums thrive in temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. They are sensitive to cold drafts, so keep them away from doors and windows during winter. Watering. Water your Anthurium when the top inch of the soil feels dry. It's important not to overwater, as Anthuriums are susceptible to root rot. Ensure that the pot has proper drainage to allow excess water to escape. Use room temperature water and avoid using water that has passed through a water softener, as it can harm the plant. Humidity. Anthuriums prefer high humidity levels. You can increase humidity around the plant by misting it regularly or placing a tray of water near the plant. Avoid misting the flowers directly, as it can cause them to spot. Potting soil. Anthuriums prefer a well-draining potting mix that retains some moisture. A mix of peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark is suitable. Avoid using heavy potting soil, as it can retain too much water. Fertilization. Feed your Anthurium with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once every 2 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Dilute the fertilizer to half the recommended strength and apply it to moist soil. Avoid fertilizing during winter when the plant is dormant. Pruning. Remove any yellow or dead leaves regularly to maintain the plant's appearance. If the plant becomes leggy or overcrowded, you can prune it back to encourage new growth. Repotting. Anthuriums generally require repotting every 2 to 3 years or when the plant has outgrown its current container. Choose a slightly larger pot with good drainage and use fresh potting mix during repotting. Pests and diseases. Anthuriums can be susceptible to common houseplant pests such as aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant for any signs of infestation and treat with appropriate insecticidal soap or neem oil if necessary. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Remember that Anthuriums are toxic to pets and humans if ingested, so keep them out of reach of children and pets. With proper care and attention, your Anthurium plant should reward you with beautiful, long-lasting blooms.